So we're here at the Hilton Garden Inn and we're checking in. And by the way, they have some awesome customer service. I love these ladies. They have been nothing short of amazing. It's a bathroom. I love this door. I like the way this door slides. Look at that. That's cute. It's amazing. And in my room. Excuse me. I'll go out and let y'all see how this water doing out here in anticipation of the storm. But it's a beautiful view. Awesome view. Look at the water though. Oh my God. I'm gonna try and enjoy as much of the beach as I can. See, they got the red flag up. So I made it, guys, through all the things that happened in the car accident. Still made it. So I'm praising God for that, definitely. I'm gonna try to just enjoy this night. And I'll be back on the road in the morning. It is what it is. There's no need to be upset. Things happen like that in life. You just have to deal with things as it comes. So I'll see you guys down on the beach. Alright. Well, we're trying to salvage this trip. Sitting at the Tiki Huts, about to get a cool drink and enjoying all of the salvage as much as we can. Oh, thank you.
Let me get this song, try to six on these.
But it was green. It ain't green. Anyway, this is a margarita. It's good. Considering everything, I think I deserve this today. I don't like that.
That's not that's usual.
Is that on the rocks?
Cash credit or drink tickets.
What you think about it?
Oh, they ain't even taking a picture of it.
That's what you think about it.
I'm gonna have to let you do it. What do you think?
No, I'm not into them kind of drinks. I don't know. I'm not into those kind of drinks. So anyway, we're gonna enjoy these cool drinks, and then we're gonna go try to find us something to eat. And then I'm gonna walk on the beach and say I at least put my feet in the sand. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Oh, I didn't let y'all see the outfit of the day. Let me let y'all see that. Outfit of the day. All right. Bye. All right, so we're gonna go down on the beach and hang out for just a minute down here. And I'm gonna probably come back out here tonight for a little bit before the wind gets too bad. But just let you see a little bit of that. There's our red flag. Look at the red flag. These dunes are beautiful. They are amazing. This is truly one of my favorite beaches, guys. I wish I could come at better time to see how beautiful the water is. It's not as rough, but I guess we have to get what we can get. Red flag means hazardous surf. Yes, it does. Yes! I put my toes in the sand. I said before I left here, I had to get my toes. y'all see get a view of this, guys. It's too bad that I can't get 2 days of enjoyment of this for 3 days. So just to give y'all a little brief information of what happened. So we were driving down, I think it was Highway 45, and it was a 4-lane highway, and it merged into a 2-lane highway, 1 lane on each side, and there was a lady that was flying so fast. We heard her coming because she was hitting the what do you call those little bumps that they have in the road to let you know that you're on the shoulder, or you know, wake you up. They have those lanes and they're like yellow stripes, and she was driving on those, and she came around us. When she was trying to come around us, she was in that, like that, which was not a lane. It's just the caution, you know, because it had merged into 1 lane. And so my friend blew to let her know, you know, there's no lane here. We couldn't get over, because if we had moved over, we would have been in the shoulder in the grass. So rather than her slow down, she sped up, and we tried to jerk over to the right and to the shoulder, and she just came over and hit us and knocked us over to the shoulder, to the grass, and then we bounced back out, you know, into the road. But luckily, nobody was hurt. No one in her car. She had 2 children in the car with her, and so we had to wait because it was such a rural area, and we was on the state line of Alabama and Mississippi. That we had to wait for the state troopers to come, and it was like 2 hours. So here we are. We just got here around 3 o'clock this afternoon, and now we're out here with the rough weather, guys. So, but that's my story, and it was adventurous. But you know, through it all, I'm just thankful that the accident wasn't worse than that. You know, that I still got an opportunity to come down here and stick my feet in the sand, because it'll be next year before I get down here again. So I'm thankful that I was able to get down here just to be able to stick my feet in the sand and say I came to Orange Beach. But I love it here. I love it here, and I just had to come. So I don't know if you guys saw my dress, but I got this dress a while ago, and I only wear it when I come to the beach. But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna probably let y'all see these rough waves. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. It has been an adventure, to say the least. But we know that God is faithful and He's great, because I'm so anxious and just crazy right now, probably all over the place, because that accident kind of really threw me. So, but I'm just blessed. Love y'all. Bye. So we're stopping to get us something to eat. We're at the Sassy Bass. Y'all get a look at this little cute place. It is so cute, guys. Look at the ceiling. It's like in the Caribbean. I love it. Cute. Got a drawing on the wall of the ocean. It is so pretty. I love it. 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 Could you feel love and be loved? Alright, I'm ready to eat my food, guys. Order anyway. These are jerk nachos. It has black beans and I don't know what all is in there, but it looks very delicious though. Jerk nachos, ladies. So we got our jerk chicken, and unfortunately it wasn't the way we had it last year. And as you can see, the chicken's just plain. So they're actually back there trying to fix us what we had last year. So this is the chicken they brought out to me, guys. It's not the same as last year, but you know, I guess people change, places change, so I'll just have to roll with it. But they brought me some extra jerk sauce. Anyway, finishing up my dinner, then we're gonna head back to the hotel. And I may go out. I'm trying to get me some salt water to take back with me for my locks. So hopefully I'll be able to do that if it's not too dark. And try to see if I can do me a Oceanside podcast. So I'm gonna sign out for now, and then I'm gonna wrap this vlog up at the hotel. All right, have a good night. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning and I'm still in Orange Beach, but I'm about to get up and leave. We just had breakfast. We had a really nice day and about to leave because the storms are coming, unfortunately. So I just wanted to end this vlog here. I wanted to thank you guys for viewing the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was an interesting trip, to say the least. You know, I wish I could have stayed longer because my vacation is not over until Monday. But however, with the storm, it is more important to be safe than to be worried about whether or not I get to complete my vacation at the beach. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let y'all see how choppy this water is this morning. They said they had about 15 hours before it actually rose through. And I'm gonna try to let y'all see it without my camera lens fogging up because it's so humid right now that the lens just keep fogging up every time I try to come out here. So I'm gonna, y'all can see that. So yes, guys, the storm is coming and y'all all up in my face. Let me slide it back some. And so we're gonna get out of here because I don't want to be stuck down here and, you know, can't get out because they've evacuated a lot of the islands in the area. So y'all just pray for us that we make it back safely. And I'm just so thankful that we were able to make it here after the accident. And I still had a wonderful day into the night here in Orange Beach. So thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you soon. Bye.